To complete Form 1099 Miscellaneous, report the total amount you paid the contractor during the year in Box 7, Non-Employee Compensation. And this is the amount that you will include as a business expense on Schedule C, line 11 for contract labor. Enter the contractor's identifying number, which is usually their Social Security number, or it could be an EIN. So if they do not want to provide their Social Security number, they can get an EIN for the purpose of providing it, even if they're not required to have one, just like with your business. As explained in the Hiring Workers section, to request this information from a contractor or a business that you need to file the Form 1099 Miscellaneous, you can provide them with Form W-9, Request for Taxpayer Identification Number and Certification, for them to complete and give back to you. It is best to provide this form to the contractor before you engage in business with them. That way you won't have to deal with trying to get this information after the fact, which can be difficult if people were not planning on being taxed on the income you're paying. Also, if any information that the contractor provides you is inaccurate, it shows that you did your part in trying to get the correct information. Form 1099 Miscellaneous is an informational form, which to file with the IRS, you must use Form 1096, Annual Summary and Transmittal of U.S. Informational Returns. Form 1099 Miscellaneous has multiple copies, so you attach the A copies for all the Form 1099 Miscellaneouses you are required to file to one Form 1096. Then you file the Form 1096 with the attached A copies by February 28, 2015 for the 2014 tax year. Completing the Form 1096 is fairly straightforward. The form asks for the filer's information, which is your business information, your name, address, contact info. In Box 1, enter an EIN if you have one, or your Social Security number in Box 2 if you don't have an EIN. But do not enter both an EIN and a Social Security number. In Box 3, enter the number of Form 1099 Miscellaneous copies that are attached to the Form 1096. And in Box 5, enter the total amount of all the non-employee compensation reported on all your Form 1099 Miscellaneouses. So you'll just take the amount in Box 7 on each form and add it all together. In Box 6, enter an X in the box for Form 1099 MISC. And then where you file the form depends on what state your business is located in. So refer to the 1099 General Instructions section where to file information for the correct address to mail the form to.